Welcome to Windows Fixer, your safe space for tech fixes, tweaks, and proper optimizations. Today we're going to fix one of those sneaky little issues that really messes up your Discord mic, error 3002. This error doesn't always show up with a big warning, it just quietly blocks your mic input, making it super confusing, especially if you're not sure whether it's Discord, Windows, or your headset acting up. But don't worry. Let's break it down with simple methods. Fix 1. Allow microphone access for Discord and Windows settings. Alright, this one might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people overlook it, especially after a fresh Windows install or a big system update. So basically, if your system's privacy settings are blocking the mic, even slightly, then Discord's just going to sit there pretending it can't hear you. Doesn't matter if the mic's plugged in or even glowing blue, if permission's off, it won't work. Here's what to do. First, open your Start menu and click on Settings. Now look on the left sidebar and choose Privacy and Security. Whether you're on Windows 10 or 11, this setting is available. The layout might look a little different, but the wording stays the same, so you'll find it in both versions. Scroll down a little and you'll find the microphone section under App Permissions. Click on that. Make sure microphone access is switched on at the top. Just below that, you'll also see Let Apps Access Your Microphone. Turn that on too. Then scroll a bit further and look for Discord in the list. If it's there, make sure the toggle next to it is on. Once you've done that, close everything and relaunch Discord. This alone might get your mic working again if Windows was silently blocking it. Fix 2. Check your input device and unmute the mic. Now, if permissions are all good but your mic still isn't working, there's a solid chance Windows is just using the wrong input device, or maybe your mic is muted in the background without you even noticing. This happens a lot if you've recently switched from speakers to headphones or plugged in a USB mic. Let's sort it out. Right-click the sound icon on your taskbar, then click Sound Settings. Under Input, take a second to check which mic is selected. If you've got multiple ones, like your webcam mic or headset, make sure the correct one is chosen. You can tap your mic softly and see which bar reacts to confirm it. After that, click on Input Device Properties or something similar. It varies slightly between Windows 10 and 11. Now check the mic volume. If it's set too low or muted, slide it up. Somewhere around 80% is usually perfect. Once you've done that, hop back into Discord and try a mic test again. If it's working, you'll see the green bar moving when you talk. Fix 3. Update your audio drivers. Okay, now let's talk drivers. Even if your mic seems fine, outdated audio drivers can seriously mess up how Discord handles your voice input. It's like having an outdated translator between your mic and Windows. Stuff gets lost, or just blocked altogether. Here's how to give your system a quick audio refresh. Press Windows plus X on your keyboard and select Device Manager. Now expand the section called Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click your microphone from the list, then choose Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers and let Windows look for anything new. While you're here, also update your main speaker or headphone drivers. Sometimes they're bundled with the mic drivers. If Windows doesn't find anything, go to your laptop or motherboard manufacturer's website. Find your exact model and download the latest Realtek or high-definition audio driver. After updating, restart your PC and open Discord again. Fix 4. Turn off Discord's voice filters and third-party enhancements. Sometimes the error isn't even about the mic itself. It's the fancy noise filters trying to clean up your voice, but they end up blocking it instead. And if you've got third-party sound apps like Realtek Audio Console, Dolby Atmos, Nahimic, or even your gaming headset software, they can add their own filters that crash into Discord's filters. The result? Error 3002. Let's clean all that up. Open Discord and go down to the gear icon to open User Settings. Click on Voice and Video from the left panel. Scroll down till you see settings like Noise Suppression, Echo Cancellation, and Automatic Gain Control. Just turn them off one by one. Also, check Input Sensitivity. If it's on automatic, try turning it off and drag the bar a little left to make it more sensitive manually. Now, if you're using extra sound software from your headset or sound card, open that too and disable any enhancements or voice filters for testing. Once all that's off, close Discord completely and open it again. This time it should have a clear path to pick up your mic directly. Fix 5. Fully restart Discord from the tray. This one's kind of like giving Discord a cold shower. Sometimes after tweaking settings or fixing permissions, Discord just doesn't refresh things on its own. It keeps running silently in the background with the old configuration still stuck, so we're going to force it to restart completely. Click the arrow icon on the bottom right of your taskbar to open your hidden icons. Find the Discord icon, right-click it, and choose Quit Discord. Now wait a few seconds to be sure it's fully closed, then open Discord again from the Start menu or desktop. This resets Discord's voice engine with your new mic settings. If your mic wasn't working earlier, it often starts working now without any other steps. And there you go, real solutions for Discord error 3002. If your mic's finally working again, hopefully, go ahead and scream with joy in your VC. If this video helped you out, drop a like to support the channel and don't forget to subscribe to Windows Fixer for more easy guides that actually make sense. Catch you in the next one.